welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a shell, adjust the shell, remove the background, select the orange color, enable button down, adjust the shell, and select the import button, go to the gallery, select a photo, adjust the photo to remove the background, select the orange color, enable button down, adjust the photo, then select shape button, adjust the shape, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color, rotate the shape, adjust the shape, sticker button, adjust the sticker, copy the sticker, shell, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, change the background color, so the color option, adjust the color, copy the shelf, select the copy option, adjust the shelf, then select another copy, select the color filter, adjust the color, and then select the color filter, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.